Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be doing an Elsa crown tutorial brought to you by Face Paint Forum Shop. I'm Lily. Let's get started. So here I've got a one stroke from the Mermaid and Unicorn palette. And you can definitely get that at facepaintforumshop.com. Here I'm also using a 5/8 protege angled brush. We're creating this centerpiece here for the Elsa crown. And as you can tell, I'm creating leaf shapes. So we're going to go around this crown. And I'm just going to be doing the same leaf shape technique. Now, I really wanted to give this crown dimension, so I went ahead and filled the middle with another layer with the Fun Stroke. Turn your brush on its side to blend that little bit out. And I really love this one stroke in particular because it has purple. I know that most wintry designs we do are blue, but I really love Elsa's eyeshadow. I love that accent of purple on her. Alright, for my model I decided to go ahead and add eyeshadow with the very same Fun Stroke I just used. Beautiful. We'll do the same on the other side. Now Scarlett's 16, my model. So just make sure that your model is old enough for eyeshadow. Make sure also, if you're trying this out for the first time, that your brush is not too wet. You definitely don't want to get water or face paint in your model's eyes. Here I've got Paradise White, and October most definitely took a toll on this cake. So here we're going to take a sponge with very little water, and we're going to create sort of like snow flurries, right? So some here in the centerpiece because that's where I want the light to come in, and also around the crown a little bit. Here we're going to create the Elsa silhouette, just her head. So I wanted to show you that this is possible. We're going to do our best here. This is my first time attempting this silhouette. If you'd like, you're welcome to sketch it on a notepad, draw it out, just to make sure you get that idea. But I did want to show you that it can be done. Here I'm stamping my brush down to create those braids. And here's the silhouette. So just remember the forehead, the nose, the chin. And you'll be able to tell I go ahead and fix it just one more time. Remember that she does have hair flowing, so we need to create those bangs. And then on the back, of course, her flowing hair, we're going to create that too. So I wasn't too happy with that braid, so I went ahead and filled it in a little more. I did add an eyelash for Elsa. So here we go, we're just filling that braid just a little bit more to make it stand out. We add iridescent glitter. That's just to calm down the black because it is pretty heavy. I took my Lowell Cornell round number 3, as I always use, and I dipped it in Superstar. I'm sorry, it was the Paradise White and also Petro Blue. I'm just doing 3 petals on each side of the silhouette, and I wanted to add one flower on the side of her eyes, just so it balances the design out. I've loaded my little Cornell round number 3 with Paradise White again, and I decided to go ahead and add swirls and teardrops around the silhouette. Remember that your swirls, teardrops, anything that you make here, you have a focal point. The focal point is Elsa, the silhouette, right? So we want all the points to be meeting in that center of that focal point. So in between the eyebrows where Elsa is, we want all those things to meet in that same direction. I'm going to go ahead and add dots here to the top. Just a few more accents here. You're welcome to add snowflakes if you like. I definitely wanted to create this design without using any stencils, but you're welcome, of course, to add as much embellishment as you have time for. Here I've added a purple tone of iridescent cosmetic glitter to my model's eyes. Scarlett is 16, so this is perfectly fine for her. I don't recommend glitter on younger children on the eyes, even though it is safe. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that everything you've seen here can be picked up at facepaintforumshop.com.